Immerse yourself in a world of limitless entertainment possibilities with the GTek 27-inch curved, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled visual sophistication. This game-changing monitor is designed to revolutionize your gaming experience, transport you to new dimensions, and redefine the boundaries of immersive entertainment. With its stunning 1500R curved display, the GTek 27-inch curved creates an unforgettable visual experience that'll have you hooked from the very start. The 1500R curvature wraps around your field of view like a wraparound cinema screen, drawing you deeper into the game and making every moment feel more vivid and intense. But it's not just about aesthetics. This monster of a monitor is built to deliver lightning-fast performance, thanks to its ultra-smooth gameplay experience. With up to 280Hz refresh rate via DisplayPort, you'll be able to play fast-paced FPS games without any blur or screen tearing to ruin the party. The 1 millisecond MPRT response time ensures that every frame is crystal clear, giving you a competitive edge and an unparalleled sense of immersion. And let's not forget about the visuals. With a whopping 4,000:1 contrast ratio, you'll experience depths of color and contrast that were previously unimaginable. The 90% DCI, P3 color gamut and HDR support bring movies and games to life in stunning detail, while the monitor's advanced color calibration technology ensures that every pixel is perfectly aligned for an unbeatable viewing experience. But what really sets the GTek 27-inch curved apart from the rest is its compatibility with your favorite devices. With 2 HDMI ports, DisplayPort 1.4, and audio output compatibility for PCs, consoles, laptops, and streaming devices, you'll be able to plug in anything and start playing without any hassle. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or a content creator, the GTek 27-inch curved is the perfect companion for your entertainment needs. But don't just take our word for it. The GTek 27-inch curved has been designed with you in mind. With its built-in USB hubs and adjustable stand, you'll be able to customize your experience to fit your unique needs. Plus, the monitor's sleek and modern design makes it perfect for any home office or gaming setup. And when it comes to comfort and durability, the GTek 27-inch curved has got you covered. The anti-flicker and anti-glare technology ensures that every session is comfortable and hassle-free, while the built-in speakers deliver crystal-clear audio that's perfect for gaming, streaming, or just relaxing with a movie. But what really sets the GTek 27-inch curved apart from the competition is its commitment to innovation. With regular software updates and a comprehensive warranty package, you can trust that your monitor will always be at the forefront of technological advancements. In short, the GTek 27-inch curved is more than just a monitor. It's an immersive entertainment experience that's designed to revolutionize the way you play, watch, and interact with digital content. With its unparalleled visual sophistication, lightning-fast performance, and compatibility with your favorite devices, this game-changing monitor is the ultimate companion for anyone who wants to take their entertainment experience to the next level. By upgrading to the GTek 27-inch curved, you'll be joining a community of like-minded enthusiasts who demand the best from their technology. You'll be part of a revolution that's changing the face of entertainment forever, and you'll be experiencing it all in stunning high definition. So what are you waiting for? Click that link below to upgrade your setup and join the future of entertainment today.